We Carry Our Sons by me, Dawn Bowling. We carry our sons on our shoulders, balancing their weight until we are bone-grooved, permanent rails in granite. We carry them against our spines, splintered, forcing them to stand, to walk, fall only lightly, to peep, tip headlong into love. We carry them in our blood, filling our weakling hearts with their beat or half-beat or missing beat, arrhythmic to our essential syncopation. We carry them bellied, both mothered and fathered by their kicks and turns, birthing their pain in entwined family calls. The boys we are given live in our legs, as men in our fists, their shouts filling our mouths, their loud, brave song still as clear as a muezzin. We have sent our sons, our beautiful sons, over tours, too far now to recognise their scent. Empty-handed, we are still left wearing the mark, their shape, their weight, easy like a dazzling scar.